Did you know that the very tools you trust to build your software could be hiding dangerous code? Just one day ago, Red Hat, a company known for its secure cloud infrastructure, discovered malicious npm packages embedded in their JavaScript clients. These packages, which are meant to help developers streamline their work, were secretly used to inject harmful code into systems. Imagine a trusted library that you install with a simple npm install command, and instead of helping you, it's quietly stealing your data or opening backdoors into your network. This isn't just a minor issue. It's a wake-up call for all developers and companies that rely on open-source code. These malicious packages were found in the Red Hat Insight's JavaScript clients, which are used by thousands of developers globally. The implications are huge, from data breaches to system takeovers. And here's where it gets interesting. How did this happen, and what can we do about it? NPM, or Node Package Manager, is the backbone of modern JavaScript development. It's like a marketplace where developers can find and install pre-written code to help them build applications faster. Think of it as a library, but instead of books, it's full of reusable code. There are over 1 million packages in the NPM registry, and developers use them every day to save time and avoid reinventing the wheel. But with this convenience comes a risk. Because anyone can publish a package to NPM, it's possible for malicious actors to sneak in harmful code disguised as a legitimate tool. This is exactly what happened in Red Hat's case. The malicious packages were disguised as normal tools, but they contained hidden scripts that could compromise user systems. And this isn't an isolated incident. Similar attacks have been reported before. Here's the twist nobody expected. How did these malicious packages slip through the cracks in the first place? Malicious npm packages often work by hiding harmful code within legitimate-looking tools. Once installed, these packages can execute scripts that take control of your system, steal data, or even allow remote access. Think of it like a Trojan horse. The package appears harmless on the surface, but inside, it's packed with dangerous code. In the case of Red Hat, the malicious packages were embedded in their JavaScript clients, which are used by developers to interact with Red Hat's cloud services. These packages could have been used to inject malware into systems, potentially compromising the security of entire networks. The problem is that npm packages are often not thoroughly audited before being used. This makes it easier for malicious actors to slip in harmful code. And this is where it gets complicated. How can developers and companies protect themselves from such threats? The real-world impact of malicious npm packages can be devastating. For example, in 2021, a malicious package called EventStream was discovered to have been compromised and used to steal cryptocurrency from users. This package was widely used and had over 10 million downloads before the issue was discovered. Similarly, in Red Hat's case, the malicious packages could have been used to compromise the security of cloud systems, leading to data breaches, system takeovers, or even financial losses. Imagine a developer installing a package to speed up their work, only to find out later that their system has been compromised. These packages are not always obvious. They can be hidden in the code and only activated under specific conditions. Here's what the headlines aren't telling you. How can we ensure that such malicious packages are detected and removed before they cause harm? At first glance, a legitimate npm package and a malicious one may look identical. Both provide code that helps developers build applications, and both are available on the same registry. But there's a critical difference. The malicious ones contain hidden scripts that can harm users. A legitimate package is transparent, well-documented, and comes from a trusted source. A malicious package, on the other hand, may have hidden code that activates under specific conditions. For example, it might steal data when a user runs a particular command or when a specific event occurs. The key to detecting these packages is to look for unusual behavior, such as unexpected network requests or file modifications. Here's the part most people miss. Even trusted developers can be targeted, and the damage can be massive. The discovery of malicious npm packages in Red Hat Cloud Services has far-reaching implications. It shows that even the most trusted companies are not immune to supply chain attacks. This is a growing trend in the cybersecurity world. Attackers are targeting the tools that developers rely on rather than directly attacking end users. The implications are serious, from data breaches to the potential collapse of entire systems. For businesses, this means that the security of their software depends not only on their own code, but also on the third-party libraries they use. For developers, it means that they need to be more vigilant about the packages they install. And for the cybersecurity community, it's a wake-up call to improve the security of open-source software. Here's what nobody's talking about: how can we build a more secure ecosystem for open-source development? Protecting your systems from malicious npm packages starts with being vigilant. First, always verify the source of the packages you install. Stick to well-known and trusted repositories and avoid installing packages from unknown or unverified sources. Second, use tools like npm audit to scan your project for vulnerabilities. These tools can detect suspicious packages and flag them for review. Third, keep your software up to date. Many security vulnerabilities are fixed in newer versions of packages, so staying current is crucial. Finally, consider using a package manager that includes built-in security checks. These steps can help reduce the risk of falling victim to a malicious package. And here's the thing that changes everything: by taking these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of a security breach. The discovery of malicious npm packages in Red Hat Cloud Services is a clear sign that the battle for software security is far from over. As open-source development continues to grow, so too does the risk of supply chain attacks. The future of npm security will depend on a combination of better tooling, stricter audits, and increased awareness among developers. Companies like Red Hat are already taking steps to address the issue, but the responsibility doesn't fall solely on them. Developers and businesses must also take proactive measures to protect their systems. The key takeaway is that no one is immune to these threats, not even the most trusted companies. As we move forward, it's essential to stay informed and take action to ensure the security of our software ecosystems. And that's just the beginning. The fight for secure software is ongoing, and we all have a role to play.